How to use metrics to demonstrate the value of your agile transformation. Hello, I'm David Betzold, Senior Agile Coach. I've spent over 30 years leading major programs from SAP HANA to digital transformations. I know the hardest question isn't how to go agile, but how to prove its worth to the executive suite. The 4 pillars of value: speed, predictability, quality, value. Agile transformation is a significant investment. To justify it, you need to stop talking about Scrum and start talking about money, time, and quality. I used to prove the value of the agile work by tracking 4 key metric categories: speed, predictability, quality, and value. These metrics bridge the gap between team activities and business results. Let's dive into them. Pillar 1: Speed. First, speed. This answers: how fast are you turning an idea into customer value? The key metric here is feature lead time, the time from when an idea is defined until it's live. In my experience, leveraging Lean and Kanban principles can reduce the feature delivery cycle time by 30%. That's market responsiveness. You must also track deployment frequency. By fostering a DevOps culture and creating CI/CD pipelines, you can increase how often we release, sometimes moving deployment from weeks to mere days. More releases mean less risk per change. Pillar 2: Predictability. Next, predictability. Can the business trust our forecasts? Low predictability kills stakeholder trust. We measure commitment reliability. This is the percentage of committed work a team actually delivers in a sprint. Through disciplined planning, I coach teams to consistently deliver 95% of sprint commitments. That stability allows the product owner to reliably forecast future projects. In scaled frameworks like SAFE, we track successful program increment PI completion. We proved this by achieving a remarkable 35% increase in feature completion rates during each PI cycle. Pillar 3: Quality. Are you building it right and avoiding costly rework? We measure the defect escape rate, bugs found by the customer after release. By embedding test-first practices, such as test-driven development, TDD, I drive this number down. This is how I decreased post-release issues by 50%. I also track mean time to recover, MTTR. This is how fast you fix a problem when it occurs. Coaching teams on lean principles helped improve MTTR for critical incidents by a remarkable 40%. Low MTTR proves system resilience. Pillar 4: Business value. Finally, business value. Are you building the right thing? The ultimate proof is user adoption and usage. When guiding hundreds of users through the adoption of new AI-driven solutions, we achieved a notable acceptance rate of 90% and a productivity gain of 25%. This metric is gold. It proves the new solution isn't just finished, it's being used and driving profitable outcomes. You also must measure process efficiency. For example, streamlining manual quotation processes resulted in an anticipated 75% reduction in quotation generation time. That's a direct impact on the bottom line. Please remember, you can't manage what you don't measure. Use these 4 metric pillars: speed, predictability, quality, and value to secure buy-in and prove the success of your transformation. Do these issues sound familiar? Are you ready to transform your team's performance? Hit that subscribe button and press the bell for further updates where I'll dive into how to set up your first value stream mapping session.